Hello friends and welcome to jcmedia taking you ahead. I'm Sachin, your facilitator, and before I start with this video, I want to wish everyone a blessed Buddha Purnima. Yes friends, today is Buddha Purnima and today's episode will be divided into three parts. In the first part, we are going to see Buddha's teachings and his teachings, how it is connected with everybody's life, that is our samsara. The teachings of Buddha are showers of blessings for the people from all walks of life. Today, right from a common man to the richest businessman or the powerful politician, all are sailing in the ship of stress, anxiety, and doubt. We don't know whether we will be facing a sickness, accidents, a natural calamity, or man-made disasters the next moment of our life. The demon of terrorism, the devil of pandemic, and the Satan of biological warfare is like a blade of guillotine that is hovering over our necks. In this time, the ray of hope comes to us to save us, to liberate us, to lift us from all the uncertainties, and those are the divine teachings of Holy Scripture. Today is one such day, the birth anniversary of Lord Gautam Buddha, which will liberate us from all the sorrows. Some call Buddha as the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Mostly all people know the history of Buddha, so we won't go much deep into it. But today we will be discussing about the teachings of Lord Gautam Buddha. If you light a lamp for someone, it will brighten your path too. These are the teachings of Buddha. So, in the second part, we are moving towards the Buddha Darshanam, Buddha Darshan, and meditation. So, let us begin with Buddha Darshan and meditation.
Darshanam gacchami.
Faith and prayers both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. So, friends, now we are moving on to the third part, in which we are going to throw light on the teachings of Buddha, the direct teachings of Buddha. So, let us move towards the third part, the Buddha's teachings. Buddha's teachings. Three truths of life. First, change. Nothing in this life is fixed or permanent, not even our body. It keeps on changing right from the infanthood onwards. Second, the sufferings, dukkha. This implies to being unsatisfied in life, which denotes the imperfect nature of life. Third, I, me, myself. No soul or Atma is stable in its body and is immortal. Hence, I is the body which we will leave here and go on a journey of the other side of the life. Four noble truths. 1. Noble truth of sufferings. 2. Noble truth of origin of sufferings. 3. Noble truth of cessation of sufferings. 4. Noble truth of way leading to the cessation of sufferings. The eightfold noble paths. Right view, which is also called the drishti. Second, right thoughts, vichar or sankalpa. Third, right speech, Sanskrit, vani or vachan. Fourth, right actions, karma. 5. Right living, achar or ajivika. 6th, right efforts, vyayam. 7th, right mindfulness, smriti. 8th, right concentration or right meditation, samadhi. 3 deadly fires. First, desire, bhog or ichha. Second, anger, krodha. Third, delusion or illusion, that is maya or brahma. So friends, we have come to the end of this episode. I hope you like this episode very much. If you liked it, then please don't forget to like it. And if you're not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it down. So before we end today's episode, let me give you one more teaching about Buddha. Be patient and leave everything to time. you will get all the blessed things at the right time. So friends, thank you so much for being with us, being tuned with JC Media. Keep on watching JC Media. Till then, thank you so much. Take care, be good, always help others, and never hesitate to say Bharat Mata Ki Jai.